Right, Spencer. I've heard from some of the grown-ups at home that the children at home, and Miss Smith said that the children in school really enjoyed playing Splat the Sound the other day.
Oh, well, that is ace to hear that.
Yeah, so I thought for our Friday fun phonics, we could play a couple more games of Splat the Sound. What do you think?
You know that I love this game. I love to splat 'em.
But this time, you're going to be in charge of the splatting because I think that's your favourite bit of the game.
Yeah.
And I'm going to say the sounds that I want you to splat. Is that okay?
Yeah, I'm really ready to play this game. I love it.
Right, so you need to come over here to me then.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
And I've got you your splatter for today.
Yep.
Okay, make sure you hold it with two hands so you can give it a good
yeah,
splat.
let's splat 'em.
Okay, now, Spencer, I don't know if you've noticed, but there are a lot of sounds.
There's a lot of sounds to splat.
Yeah, I think, do you know what? I think all of the phase 2 sounds are here. All of them, because I thought it would do us all good to just recap them and go over them. What do you think?
Yeah, that's a really good idea, Miss Lonsdale. I like that.
Okay, right. So, are you ready, Spencer Bear?
Yeah, I think I'm ready, yeah.
Okay, so I'll say the sound. You have to find it and splat it, okay?
Yeah, let's splat it.
Right, okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Your first sound I want you to splat is... S. Can you see it? The short S.
It's there. Splat it.
Well done.
Yeah.
Good splat, Spencer.
Oh, thank you, Miss Lonsdale.
Okay, I'm gonna be quick. You've got to keep on your toes.
Okay.
Next sound is t t t.
It's there. I can see it. That one there. Yeah.
Okay. Right. Next sound. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Next sound is ah.
It is there.
Ah. Good
And
boy.
splat.
Well done. Okay.
Quick, let's do
Maybe.
another.
Yeah, but I'm just thinking maybe as we splat it, the children at home could say that sound, couldn't they, as we splat it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay, right. Next sound, Spencer, is
It's there, right there. Yeah, get it. Again. Splat.
Well done. Okay. Next one sounds very similar to that one.
Just up there, look to the left. Yes. Splat.
Well done, Spencer. Good boy. Okay, maybe, Spencer, you could say the sounds as you splat them to copy me.
Yeah, and if year one, if they could all say it as well.
You mean, yeah.
Yeah, class one.
Class one. Yeah. Okay, right. Next one is g.
It's there, right over there.
Well done. Good sound, Spencer.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, and while you're up there, can you do I?
Just the
What was it? Good boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Splat it, yeah.
Next one, can you do, remember this is the blowing out a candle sound.
Just here in front of us.
Well done.
Thank you.
Next one.
Yeah, okay.
D.
Just there, yeah. Stop.
Well done. Okay, next one.
Just a little one there.
Oh,
That was a big splat.
that really was a big splat,
Yeah, I like
Spencer. Okay, next one.
There, right in front of us there, yeah.
Say the sound, Spencer.
Oh.
Well done. Okay, next one. Oh, do you fancy doing a triple splat?
Okay, yeah.
Can you-
Triple splat 'em.
Can you splat all the ways that we write the k?
Yeah. Splat 1. Splat 2. Splat 3. It's a hat trick splat 'em.
Well done. Triple splat,
Oh,
Spencer.
thank you, thank
Oh
you.
my goodness me, we're getting to some trickier sounds
Yeah.
now. Okay, what about
Just there, like a one, splat it, yeah, got it.
What's that sound, Spencer?
Oh.
Well done.
Thank you.
Okay, the long
That is, oh no, yeah.
Well done.
Splat 'em.
Good boy.
Yeah.
And let's carry on with some long sounds. What about the long
Just right, just over there.
Well done.
Oh, thank
Super
you.
splatting. And the long
Oh, that one's right in front of us there, look, over there.
No, it's not that one.
Oh, sorry about that. That's what I meant, yeah.
Well done. Remember
Thank
that
you.
that's the short
Thank you, Miss
okay.
Lonsdale.
Right, next one. B.
Just there, look.
Well done.
Here, right in front of us. Yeah, splat it.
What sound is it? Well done.
Thank you. Just there.
Well done. And last one. Ooh.
Just there. Thank
Well
you. Splat them all.
Wow, Spencer.
Yeah, we splattered them. Well done, class 1.
Well, okay, I don't know about you, Spencer, but all that splatting has tired me out.
Yeah, I've got to admit, I'm pretty tired. Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to just do some listening for this game?
Yeah, okay, I'll just sit here and I will listen.
Okay, I'll do the splatting then. So, I'm going to splat some sounds that make up a word, and I'm going to say the sounds, and I want you to tell me the word. Does that make sense?
You want me to do that?
No, I'll say the sounds,
Right.
and you tell me the word that I'm making.
Oh,
that I'm
yeah, I'll
sounding
do
out.
that. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Right, good boy. Good boy for just checking though.
Yeah,
Because remember, if we're not sure, we need to tell the grown-up, don't we?
Sometimes I just don't understand, or do I?
But it's always good to check, isn't it?
Yes, it is, Miss Lonsdale.
Okay, right. Are you ready for the first word?
Yep.
Okay. So, the first word is or d. Or d.
Is that mud?
It is mud. Well done.
Oh, yeah.
Or d. Mud. Fantastic. The next word, are you listening?
Yep.
I'll do it again.
Is it lock?
It is lock.
Oh, yeah.
Well done. Fantastic. The next word is s. I'll do it again. S.
It's like my bedroom is sometimes. It's a mess.
Fantastic. Well done, Spencer. Okay. The next word is uff. I'll do it again. Uff.
It's like sometimes when I get told off and I go off in a huff.
Fantastic. Good boy. I don't like it when you go off in a huff though, do
No,
I?
I don't like doing it.
No. Okay. The next word, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll say it and then I'll say it again. The next word is t-e-l. Say it again. T-e-l.
Is it tell?
It is tell.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Can you think of a sentence with that word in?
I can tell you a story.
Fantastic. I'd love it if you were to tell me a story.
Yeah, I will do tonight. I'll tell you one.
Yeah, brilliant. Okay, next word is... Are you ready?
Yeah.
B-a-k. I'll do it again. B-a-k.
Back.
Fantastic. Which part of your body is your back?
It's just behind me.
Yeah, it's just
Here,
there.
Just. Yeah, that's it. Just there.
Okay.
You're splatting your back.
I
Splat
am.
your back. Splat your back. Yeah.
Okay, right. Next word. Are you ready for the next word?
Yeah. Let's go.
Ig. Listen again. Ig.
Fig.
Fig. Fantastic.
Thank you, Miss Lonsdale.
And the final word is k-id. I'll do it again. K-id.
Is it like me? 'Cause I'm a kid.
Fantastic. Id. Kid. Well done, Spencer.
Yeah,
That
thank you.
was super listening, and well done for blending the sounds that I segmented to say the words.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Well, I think I'm all splatted out now. Do you?
You have been Splatinum.
I have. Okay. Shall we say bye-bye to the children then?
Yeah, I love class 1.
Okay.
Bye-bye, class 1.